How to edit video speed on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open the video you want to edit from here. Then, tap on the edit icon below. Go to the bottom panel and tap on the video section. From here, adjust the slow motion section start and end points on the timeline. Drag the vertical bars together to remove the slow motion portion, effectively converting it back to regular speed. Once you're done, tap on the play button to get a preview. Finally, tap on Done to save your changes. Following these steps, you can easily edit video speed on iPhone.